Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you on your eyes protection in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on guys your eyes protection mode in your Vivo phone. So guys, you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on eyes protection mode in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, you will have to click on guys your phone setting. So we will on guys our phone setting to on guys eyes protection mode. Then guys scroll display and brightness, and guys you can see your eyes protection mode settings. So guys you can on from here, and guys you can adjust guys your eyes protection mode from here guys. Brightness guys you can customize yourself. So I hope friends you have understood how to on eyes protection, and guys you want to off it, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off eyes protection mode in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you on guys eyes protection mode, so guys you should on at guys night guys when you use phone at night, and when you study in phone, so you should on it. It is good for your eyes. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like my video.